Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aayush and today's video will be our last drawing from my subscribers video. So like I mentioned in my previous video, which was a Q&A video, I have decided to stop Q&A and drawing from my subscribers video. So this is going to be our last drawing from my subscribers video, and I tried to share as many drawings as I could in this video, and that is why I have even shared the drawings which are not from my drawings or from my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. from my lovely subscribers. I just want to say thank you to everyone for sending me your drawings for these series of videos. It was a lot of fun to watch your drawings, and I could clearly see the love and passion for drawings that all of you share, just like me. Especially for me, I used to enjoy a lot seeing your version of drawings from one of my drawings on my channel. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who drew so many of my drawings and sent me their drawings. In this video, again, everyone has done a great job, but if I have to pick my top 3 favorite drawings, then they would be these 3 drawings. You guys have done a really great job, so keep it up on that. I saw so many different types of drawings from you all. Some are beginners, some are better at sketching, better at inking, and even coloring. But there is always some scope to grow more, to get more better. So keep drawing what you love, and most importantly, you need to enjoy each and every sketch. It really doesn't matter how good or bad you are at drawing. The most important thing is to enjoy what you are doing. That is, to enjoy each and every sketch, each and every process of drawing, from sketching, inking to coloring, and drawing what you really love to. And if you truly enjoy the process and only focus on the process, the growth will come automatically, and you will not even realize when you have grown and when you have gotten even better. I've seen a lot of people who just keep thinking on how to get better at drawing and how to improve their skills. But the key to improve your skills is actually by doing it. Without thinking much, just by doing it as much as you can, as frequently as possible. The more you do, the better you get, and at the end of the day, it's all about practice. So I would just say, never focus on how to get better more, or never overthink on that. Just do what you love and just enjoy your sketches. And that was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. And we are so close to reach 70,000 subscribers on YouTube, for which I have already planned a special video which will be coming very soon. And this special video is gonna be a very big one. So brace yourself for 70k special video, and also a lot more drawing videos, tutorials, and a lot more content. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then you should subscribe for more awesome drawings videos coming up very soon. Also, don't forget to ring the bell so that you get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. And you can also follow me at Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at Aayush Pencilart to get my daily updates, and I'll be also sharing their links down below, so go check them out. And that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.